Good morning, student. Today is my lecture number 56. I am teaching chapter Not for Profit Organization. In short, we can say NPO. Today I will solve a practical question based on income and expenditure account, balance sheet and old balance sheet. From old balance sheet I will calculate capital fund. So first account will be income and expenditure account of, and now I will prepare format of income and expenditure account. So let us prepare format of income and expenditure account and balance sheet. This is the format. Now I want to show you question. This is question. Following is the receipt and payment account of Indian Sport Club for the year ended 31st December 2019. In receipt side, balance CD, subscription, entrance fee, tournament fund, sale of old newspaper and legacy given. And payment side also salary, billiard table, office expenses, tournament expenses, sport equipment, etc. are given. Now other information is also given, and question says on 31st December 2019 subscription outstanding was 2000 and on 31st December 2018 subscription outstanding was 3000. So 2000 was related to current year and 3000 was related to previous year. Salary outstanding on 31st December 2019 was 1500, and on 1st January 2019 the club had building 75,000, furniture 18,000, 12% investment is also rupees 30,000, sport equipment 30,000, depreciation charge on the item including purchase was 10%. Now prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2019, and now I want to show you also the balance sheet of this question. So let us see all the format of this question. So first I have prepared the format of income and expenditure account, and this is Indian Sport Club. So I will write Indian Sport IS Club, and for the year ended 31st December 2019 19. This is given. This is expenditure side, DR side. Expenditure, rupees, income, rupees, credit side. Now I will put all the item one by one related to income and expenditure account and balance sheet. This is our balance sheet. Balance sheet of Indian Sport Club as on 31st December 2019. This is liability side. Amount rupees, and this is asset side, rupees. Now question says balance CD 10,000. Now this balance is related to opening of the year, so it will shown in opening balance sheet. And here I am preparing closing balance sheet. I will also prepare opening balance sheet. So see opening balance sheet also. I will prepare opening balance sheet also, because opening balance sheet I will calculate the capital fund. So this is the format of opening balance sheet. It will be same as I have prepared balance sheet of ISC as on, but it will be previous 31st or 1st Jan 2019. I will write asset side, rupees, and this is liability side. Now balance BD is given 10,000, so it will be opening balance, and I will write in asset side cash 10,000. Now question says subscription, it is given 52,000, and I will write it in income and expenditure account by subscription 52,000. Now question says entrance fee. I will write also entrance fee rupees 5,000. Now question says tournament fund, and tournament expenses is also given in this question. So tournament fund, we can see that tournament fund is less than the expenses, so I will write tournament expenses to tournament expenses 31,000 minus 26,000, because fund is less than the expenses, so it will be our expenses, hence I will show in expenditure side of income and expenditure account 5,000. Now question says sale of old newspaper 1000, it will be our income, so I will write in income side sale of newspaper, sale of old newspaper 1000. Now legacy is given 37,000, and legacy will be our liability, so I will show it in final balance sheet. Legacy amount is given 37,000. Now next point, salary is given, and I will write the salary in debit side of income and expenditure account. Salary, but related to salary adjustment is also given, so I will write the amount in other column 15,000. Now next point is given billiard table, it will be our assets, so I will write it in asset side, so billiard table, billiard table, and I will also charge depreciation on it, so it will be 20,000. Now office expenses is given office expenses, amount of office expenses will be our expenditure, so I will write office expenses, amount is given 6,000. Now tournament expenses, next sport equipment is given, sport equipment, it will be our assets, so I will write sport equipment, amount is given 40,000. Now at last balance CD is also given 19,000, so it will be cash in hand 19,000. Now other information is given. Question says on 31st December 2019 subscription outstanding was 2,000, so it will be subscription at the end of the year, and outstanding beginning of the year is also given, so I will add outstanding in 2,000 and deduct outstanding beginning of the year 3,000, so it will remain 49,000. Now outstanding was 18. Yes. Okay. Now I will write salary outstanding 31st December 2019 was 1500. So I will write salary outstanding 13,000. It will be 51,000, sorry, 52 plus 2, it will be 54, minus 3, it will be 51. Now outstanding salary, it will be added, outstanding 1,500, it will be 16,500, and I will also write outstanding salary 1,500, and in asset side outstanding subscription 2,000, and outstanding subscription beginning of the year is also 3,000. Now question says about the assets beginning of the year. Color had building 75,000, furniture 18,000. So I will write in asset side building 75,000, furniture 18,000, 12% investment 30,000, 12% investment 30,000, sport equipment 30,000, sport equipment 30,000, and depreciation charge on this item including purchase was 10%, question says. Now all the item has been transferred in the separate account. Now 10% depreciation should be charged, and 12% investment is also given 30,000. So now I will write in asset side all the assets which are in beginning of the year. Now investment is given 30,000. So I will write investment 30,000, and accrued interest on investment will be 3,600. So I will also write in income side accrued interest 3,600. Now next point is furniture. I will write furniture is given 20,000, and depreciation will be charged 2,000. So remaining balance will be 18,000, and I will also write depreciation on furniture in expenditure side 2,000. Now billiard table is also given 20,000 and minus depreciation 2,000. So total will be 18,000, and also in expenditures are depreciation on billiard table 2,000. Now sport equipment I have purchased of 40,000 and previous balance 30,000, and so total will be 70,000, and 10% of 70,000 will be 7,000 depreciation, so it will be deduct, and remaining balance 63,000. So I will also write in expenditure side depreciation on sport equipment 7,000. Next point is building, also given building, and amount of building is given 75,000, and depreciation charge on building will be 7,500, so remaining balance will be 67,500. So I will also show the depreciation on building in expenditure account 7,500. Now nothing is left related to question, so I will calculate the amount of capital fund. So total amount will be in asset side of previous balance sheet 1,66,000 and 1,66,000. So balancing figure will be capital fund, and capital fund will be 1,66,000. Now this capital fund will transfer into balance sheet. So capital fund, I will write capital fund 1,66,000. Now I will calculate the balance of income and expenditure account. Here we can see that the income side is more than the expenditure side, and income side, total of income side will be 60,600. Therefore I will write in expenditure side also 60,600. Now when deduct all the expenditure from total income, it will be surplus. I have explained about the surplus, excess of over expenditure, excess of income over expenditure is known as surplus. So in this question surplus will be 14,800. Now I will put the surplus in liability side with capital fund 14,800, and therefore it will be 1,80,800. So total will be 19,300 and 2,19,300. So this is the solution of question number from book 19B. You can solve the question. Thank you. I will meet in next video with some new practical problem. Thank you very much.